All right, new crf450 graphic kit finally fucking on. Oh, she looks good. I went with the matte finish on it, and I don't know if you can tell, but it just looks pretty slick. And really, it was a pretty nice graphic kit. Went on pretty good. Wasn't any crazy areas, a little heat. It's about, other than that, everything else went on, everything went on great. There's a couple spots that didn't fit the greatest, but like their fork guard decals don't follow the factory lines. They're kind of made to just cover the whole guard. But it is a really nice kit. I'm digging it. I was gonna go with the black because I always go red and black, but the old lady talked me out of it. Go with the red and white. Red, white, and blue. Came out really nice. I'm happy with it. Yep. Definitely gives it that little pop. She's still dirty, but I cleaned all the areas that decals went and everything. I'll get a good bath there in the spring. Hose is disconnected. She's about ready. Just still got that bog in the low end, but we'll get that figured out. Also pick this up. So we got the 05 crf450 and we got the 05 trx450. It's pretty much stock. It's got a HMF pipe on it. It is a nice quad. Definitely starting to sound a little noisy, and I rode around for a while yesterday and couldn't get the fan to come on, so I don't know what that's about, but I did a little reading and said something about if your key's gone, and really appears that this one is, so I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna have to dig into that. They say you can wire it straight to a ground and it should work. Other than that, it's a nice quad. I'm really trying to get the old lady get into riding with me, so I'm hoping this will do it. Give her something a little more comfortable. Really probably put some new tires on it, and then maybe seat cover because it's ripped. But other than that, just gonna fucking send it. We'll do the valves and send her. Seems to be a good little running quad. All right, wanted to show you guys that sick ass decal kit and my new acquisition of the 450. ATC still in progress. Got that nice brake pedal built. Love that thing. Yeah, that's at standstill for right now, but I am working on an airbox for my trx450r. I'm gonna be putting one of those Gullwing no-link swing arms in here to add with that Gibson front end. It should be a nice setup. But a lot of projects, a little bit of time, never enough money. All right, guys, gals, everyone, we'll see you on the next one. I'm gonna try to get back into making videos and track some progress a little better. It's been too long.